You bastard bitch. Let's bounce a bit. Alright, first off, go fucking stream my mixtape or whatever the fuck it is. It's False 518. This one. Not the False Dell one. Yeah, here's my mixtape. So because I want to talk. So this is Google Pages. It's a pretty self-explanatory framework. Your navigation menus here, right? You could insert any of these items within it. This is where you'll find all your pages, right? So home, videos, then it transfers you over there, right? You could select, deselect articles, and change the parameters. Um, you can apply themes or create a theme if you'd like. Where I'm at right now is this is how I made the original It's Records, and how I'm working on the new one too. But so that's your home page. If you want to preview it, you can. You can see it on all different devices. This would be on a computer, on a phone. Right, pretty sweet. So what was I doing? I'm going to Meta for developers, right? Boom, boom. And I want to go here, and I want to actually, I'm going to go back. Come on, Meta developers pages. That's what I want. I don't want speed insights. I just want pages. You fucking hoe. My keyboard's broken, so it looks like I'm drunk all the time. Dun dun dun. Oh, let's do embed. Right? I could just do the iframe myself. No, you can't. You have to get it through fucking Facebook for some reason, because they have like an authentication or some shit. You can't just use, brackets iframe and then. Dun, dun. So you go here. I would enter. Uh, uh, right, and then I want it wider. So I would boom, boom, and you could see the preview changing down here, right? Boom, pretty sweet. So I want to put that on my website on the page. It says Facebook. I'm gonna get the code here. Yeah, dog. Let me have that code. I'm taking the iframe version. Copy, and I'm gonna go back to Google Sites here. Now to get it into here, we're gonna go first to the page we want it on, which is this Facebook one. We're gonna go to Insert and click this guy right here. Yeah, okay. We're gonna use this embed code because we're not putting a whole URL. Boom, 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 boom. Let me hear you say wayo. Paste that bad boy, and boom. We should be able to insert this into our website now. So let's see what happens. I don't know how wide 500 pixels ends up being. Let's see. Pretty small. Let's see if it'll let me go all the way. Better than last time. Is the height at unlimited? Is that infinite? What is that? Nope, ends right there. Alright. I'll probably put buttons there. I swear to God, stop sliding so far. Just go back where you were. You bastard bitch. You bastard bitch. So frustrating. So frustrating. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jennifer Block. What are you sneezing at, kitty? Don't make me kiss you. What I'm gonna do too is also put a button here that says, wait, let's go back to the developers section of Facebook. I think they might even have a follow button or like button that you could use without. Hold on one second. You want to like, yeah. HTTPS this thing. Facebook.com/exposed518. There we go. Right? So we'll get this guy the same way we did with that. That's a like. That's a like thing or whatever. I don't fucking know. Oh no, I want to do embed. Boom, boom, boom. Hot button. Embed. Bing. Bong. Fuck your life, dog. Same shit. Click, click, boom. Insert. We done, Z, my guy. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that fucking gorgeous? Alright, champ. You're a good kid, sport. You're a good sport, kid. So it's a pretty easy interface. I mean, to do anything like significant, you do have to kind of understand iframes or HTML or whatever. But like for let's say I just wanted to post content, like you could make a pretty decent blog with just these tools right here, and not have to use like any APIs or any of that kind of stuff, right? But if you do not center, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it right there. Center. Okay. Okay. And we want this one better centered too. That's ridiculous. Boom. Now, is there anything else I want from here real quick? Let's see. Boom, boom, embedded comments. Let's see how these comment plugins work. Okay, so is that like case by case? What's going on there? Alright, I'll mess with that another time. We want that share button, I think. I think we definitely want that share button. So let's get that guy. HTTP. And boom, same shit, same process. /dickbag 518. Get the code. Bing bong. Succulent. I got to figure out how to get the comments on here. The comments on here. The comments on here. Same thing. Boom. We're gonna insert embed. Click, click, boom. We're gonna paste this right to the Bicky. Bicky. And then the Bicky. Okay? Are you following along, my friend? My friend? Hello, my friend. Oh, oh. There you go. No, no. What are you doing? Took a little too far right there. Right there. Yeah. Works for me. How about the two you join forces? I think you're taking forever to load, dog. It's wild. Come on, like biggie, biggie, boom, boom. Oh, oh. How do you like that? Okay. So maybe I just put the share right there. No, that looks hideous. Let's do that. Boom, boom, whale. Let me hear you say whale. I said a boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you fucking say whale, kid. Say it now. Say it, don't spray it. Okay, I say. And so that would end right there in a perfect world, but you just don't want to be perfect, do you? I will fix that afterwards. Um, so Facebook isn't like the only people who do shit like this, right? Let's do pages. We'll add another one, and we'll call this one music. Except not like that. Music makes you lose control. Music makes you lose control. And what do I want to do now? I forgot. I'm gonna go to SoundCloud, and I'm gonna go to this, and I'm gonna go to here. Alright, and from here, I want. Let's see. Do I want the widget API or do I want? Oh, embed. I definitely want buttons. So let's go there real quick. Oh, they got dark mode too. That's pretty sick. Pretty sick. So, SoundCloud.com/. I don't even know what my new one is. That's it. Aaron Collado something rather. Holy ass load of numbers. But what does that do? Take me to use social icons. Yeah, no, I don't just want a fucking icon. I want the whole player. I want the whole damn player, bro. Play my shit right then and there, dog. So it's probably all dead. Or we have to use the API. I think I remember how to do it. If I go here and I go here and I go there, fucking beautiful. So we have two player styles that we could have this one or this one. And I think I'm gonna go with, let me see. Let's use this one. Enable automatic play. Yeah, fuck yeah. Force the motherfuckers to listen to my shit. So, copy. Copy. Do you copy me or no, dog? Are you copying? Now we're gonna embed this guy. Embed. Bing bong. Bing bong. That's pretty sick. Oh, and it's getting huge. That's fucking even sicker. I said that I'm gonna ride for my kitten. And here I am riding for my motherfucking kitten. I'll tell you that much. Alright, so that gives you an idea. Like, they have other tools. Uh, they have all sorts of interfaces. You can get like a messaging tool for Facebook. You can do. There's tons of shit you can fucking do. A couple of my goals are. I'll show you right now. GitHub. GitHub. Fucking bitch. You stupid hoe. I want to make a sampler that I can like as a app inside of sorry as an app inside of my website. So like boom boom. I'd be using like web audio and studio documents. Okay, so this is the idea of like a app that works like right. Here's the source. Let's get a live input. Right. Sure, use my microphone, dog. And we'll add some kind of module. I don't care. The game. And we will put this to here. And then I need to output or not. Yes, I do. That's what it is. Yo, 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 yo. How do you know if it's recording? I don't know. But the idea would be that the sound would come out of here. So web audio is a series of tools, or a library is what they're called, that you can create with applications that like manipulate audio. Um, if you don't know anything about programming, this is GitHub. This is where people like collaborate on programs and share code and shit. So if we look at frameworks, let's see. We got Tone.js. Let's peep that shit real quick. Cause I think this is the one I was looking at last time. Go to their documents, go to their actual website. Open up, dog. So a framework is like somewhere where you work with a certain library of code, like because there's all sorts of different styles of code, and libraries are like certain sets of functions. Functions are like a set of rules. Jeez, I don't even want to explain all that shit. It's too much. Point is like there's different styles of making the program, different apps to make the program with essentially. Yeah, no, fuck Tone.js. There's gotta be. I'm trying to find a good example. Oh, look. This one works. So it's a synth that you could play with in the browser, right? I want to do something similar to this on the website. I'm clicking, bitch. Denial, just click skip the tour. You can add oscillators to generate sound. You can add. Alright, yep, go to the next one. Get started. Boom. So there's